working on the car, and I heard this weird scratching noise. And I come all the way back here, right here. Right here, something's making a noise. We're just gonna take it off because it sounds like there's a stupid bird right in there. And you know birds are kind of dumb. Now he's gonna come out. He's gonna scare the crap right out of me because that's how birds are. I'll just... Okay, let's see what kind of dumb birds we have. You hear him? Oh, it's full. Oh, there he is. There's my stupid little birdie. Bye.